New at 10, auditors from across the country are looking at CARES Act spending in the first ever national COVID-19 audit. The $2.2 trillion package passed last March to aid in the coronavirus pandemic. Well, tonight, ABC4 News investigator Jason Wynn tells us why Utah is joining 13 other states looking into that data.
Auditors across the country found themselves asking many of the same questions surrounding the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act. How is the money being spent? Who is accessing COVID-19 tests and the data? Delaware State Auditor Kathy McGinnis sent out a survey to see if they could partner with other states on a national audit.
29 states responded, had about 5 questions, and 21 said, yes, we want to be involved.
14 states are currently engaged in the bipartisan audit, including Utah.
And so we're going to be looking at, did that money comply with the federal regulations? And some of those federal regulations are rolling out after the money rolled out, so it's kind of a backward situation.
I asked about the contracts the governor's Office of Management and Budget initiated with the Silicon Slopes companies last March.
So that would probably be looked at as part of the audit. But based on what we looked at right now, it would appear that they meet the expectations of the federal money was spent on COVID-related activities and so forth.
I do think it's very important now more than ever. Americans want to make sure that their data is accurate and there is integrity behind it. And we are hoping to be able to provide that in its first of a kind national audit.
Auditors tell me this audit will not be used to grade how a state did during the pandemic, but to share lessons learned. The national COVID-19 audit is expected to come out sometime next year. I'm Jason Wynn in the newsroom, ABC4 News.